Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Courtney and in today's video I'll be taking you through how I created this dark grunge inspired makeup look. Today's colour palette is inspired by my Slipknot T-shirt. If you're a Slipknot fan, comment down below what your favourite song is. To begin, you'll need to prime your eyelids with a concealer or an eyeshadow primer so that the eyeshadows have a base to stick to. Blend this evenly across your entire eyelid, using the remaining product on the brush to carve the lower side of your brow. Take a black cream or gel liner and apply this using a flat brush into the outer half of your lid, making it into a small winged shape. Use a clean pencil brush to blend out the liner and then add a small amount of liner to your bottom lid to join it with the wing shape that you created and blend once again. For this look, I'll be using the Beauty Bay Evolve palette, and the first shade that I'm picking up is Liner 4, which is a black shade, and I'm using that to set the liner area. To apply this shade, try to focus on tapping motions rather than circular blending motions, as this will create a messy grunge appearance. Place the shade Liner 2, which is a deep plum shade, directly over the black shade and slightly over the edge of where the black was blended to. Continue with the tapping method throughout this eyeshadow look and bring that shade down onto the lower lid. Next, you need to set the areas around the shadows so that the base does not crease. To do this, use a pink bone tone colour, and I am using the shade Base 2 from the Evolve palette. To begin bringing the red tone back into the look, go over the edge of the shadows with a deep red eyeshadow. I'm using Crease 4 from the Evolve palette. Start to bring the shadows outwards towards the temple. Pick up a dark brown purple tone shade and layer it over the darkest areas of the look to begin to create a gradient between the colours. I'm using the shade Liner 1. Use a larger fluffy brush and pick up the same shade. Apply this throughout the crease and outwards towards the temple. Reapply Liner 4 in the areas that you previously had to bring depth back to the look. Use the remaining product on the brush that you have used to apply the shade Liner 1, which is the purple toned brown, to soften the edge of the black shade and pull it outwards towards the temple. To enhance the red tones, once again, go back into the shade Crease 4, which is the deep red shade, on a large fluffy brush and focus it onto the inner half of the crease and outwards towards the temple to create a smooth blend between the shades. Add some dimension into the look by applying a rose gold metallic shade into the inner half of your top and bottom crease. Apply this with your finger for the best pigment payoff. The shade that I am using is Pop 2. Line your top and bottom waterlines with a black gel liner. Highlight your brow bone with a champagne toned highlighter. Then curl your lashes to prep them for mascara. Apply mascara to your top and bottom lashes. The mascara that I am using is the I Heart Revolution Tasty Peach Mascara. I'm going to be applying the Doll Beauty Khloe Lashes off camera, but you can use any full gappy lashes that you have available. Highlight the inner corner of your eye with the pink tone shimmer shadow. I'm using the shade Highlight 3. Now one eye is done, I'm just going to go off camera and come back once the other is finished. For the lips, lay down a base shade which is a deep red or burgundy. I'm using the DALLA PALMA Mystic Demi Matte Lipstick in purple. Then apply a deep red lip vinyl or lip gloss over the top of the lipstick. I'm using the KVD Vegan Beauty Lip Vinyl in Dahlia. And this is the final 90s grunge inspired look. If you've enjoyed this makeup tutorial, it would mean a lot if you could give it a like, comment down below and subscribe if you haven't already. If you recreate any of my looks, remember to tag me at Courtney Beauty UK on Instagram, at CourtneyBeauty_ on Twitter and hashtag CourtneyBeauty on all platforms. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video.